The influential woman I chose to do my project on is Greta Thunberg. Greta was born January 3rd, 2003 in Stockholm, Sweden. She's an environmental activist who addresses climate change. She was diagnosed with Asperger's syndrome, and at the age of 8, when she learned about climate change, she quickly changed her lifestyle. She became vegan and would refuse to travel by plane. Fridays for Future began when she would sit outside the parliament and miss school on Fridays, and these strikes inspired other students around the world to sit around with her. She has been invited multiple times to speak about climate change in different events. Some fun facts about Greta Thunberg are that she was inspired by teens in Florida who were protesting to end gun violence. She has been nominated for a Nobel Peace Prize when she was 16, and at the start of 10th grade, she decided not to attend school anymore. She was one of the youngest persons to speak at a United Nations event, and she wrote a book called No One Is Too Small to Make a Difference. I personally am someone who is inspired by Greta Thunberg. I think she's a very inspiring person because she has made such a huge impact in our world at a young age, and it's inspirational to see how much she has gotten done at my age and how willing she was to change how she lived after seeing how it negatively affected the planet. I also like how she doesn't let her Asperger's affect who she is and what she does. And I think it's also influential for people who have Asperger's to see what she has done. Greta Thunberg is an influential person because she was a young teenager when she was making big impacts on the world. Um, she's also influential to people who have Asperger's so that they can see that people like them have no limits or boundaries on what they can do. She has also used her voice to speak up against people in power and has questioned what they have done for climate change. It's inspiring to see women be heard, especially young girls, when they have important things to say. Thank you.